Hello everyone, thank you for watching my videos. Everyone, we love to travel, right? We travel always. We travel to the different countries, different place. We wanted to explore. I think nobody will not like traveling. Everybody will like traveling, right? But if during the travel, when we are planning for travel, after traveling, if we miss some items, that travel will be completely miserable. So, I have found some ideas, some items I always used to carry with myself when I travel somewhere else with my family or alone. I always prepare these things for my purposes. So I collected some items just to show you that these items are will be most useful for you when you carry with you when you are traveling, going for a vacation or some long leave, or you are going for a business trip. Most of the items it will be useful when you do the traveling. We will go through one by one. The first thing, when we travel, the mainly we used to do take a small nap, like small sleeping. For example, we wanted to save the time. For example, we are driving during night time. Also, we are driving long drive during daytime. The driving time, maybe most probably we will not used to do watching outside, not for long time. We wanted to take a rest. In that time, there are three items it will be very mainly useful for you. The first item is the neck pillow. The neck pillow. It will be very useful when you are traveling in airport or in train, because you cannot sleep well without this neck pillow. It will be very comfort for sleeping. Most probably most people they knows about this neck pillow. Okay. The second thing, when you are driving in daytime or when you are driving in nighttime also, the next people who is sitting down, maybe they use lights, but for some people it has to be always dark when they sleep. So this one will be very useful for them if they have this eye blinder, just to blind. Okay, I could not see anything, only I can see the small light, but completely I could not see anything. So this will be very useful eye blinds when you are taking a small nap or sleeping during night or daytime. The another one, ear plug. You understand, I think. This ear plug, there will be a lot of noise. When someone carry kids, or we also carry some kids. They always sometimes try, sometimes they shout. So it will be very disturbance. Also, some people they use phones. When they are traveling, they talk to someone. It will be for us. It will be disturbing, but we cannot stop those things. So this will be very useful. The earplugs. Okay. This is like a sponge, small sponge. If you put them in your ears, oh my God, completely. I don't like this actually, but completely I could not hear anything. It's very nice. Some people use headphones, but better than headphones. This one, it will completely close the surroundings noise. Good. The next one is, when we travel, these items are very must, like soap, shampoo, hand wash, oil, hair gel. The problem is that we cannot carry all those things because it comes in the big bag. We are always to save the money. We buy in a bigger bags. Bigger bags are always cheaper, correct? So if we are carrying them, it will be heavy weighted. You cannot carry. If you are going in flight, there is a limitation for the package weight. So you can't carry them completely, correct? For that, the solution I found is, this pack is available all over the internet. Amazon, everywhere it's available. There are 5 cups are available here. One for the body spray. Body spray, I think you can transfer it. If we remove the cap and you just press it inside, you can transfer it. I think I did not try. But another one is for the shampoo. Another one for oil or some moisturizer you are using, or face cream or night cream, whatever you are using. You can put it in the small cups. This will be very useful. Okay, the another one is toothbrush and paste. For those, you should have some toiletry bag. This is also available all over the internet. You should, because when you putting the toothbrush, these kind of items in the compartment where all the items are there, it will, you will, some people will get shy, it's not good looking also. Also the hygiene issue, so that you should have a separate bag to carry a toiletry items like a toothbrush, paste, these items. Okay, along with this one, you better carry one slipper with you. The small slipper, the paragon style small slippers are available, because this one occupy very less space, easy to store. Just put them in a small plastic bag and wrap it over and keep it all there. Because we always wear shoes when we are go for a vacation. We always wear shoes, right? But when we wear shoes, if we are staying in a hotel, but if we wanted to go for a small walk, or if we wanted to buy something very quick, we go come and we cannot wear shoes. It will be very difficult, right? So in that time you can use slippers. I always carry one slipper with me. Also in the toilet, some people, they don't like to enter the toilet without the slippers, so it will be very useful. After that, after another thing, when we travel, we used to do drink on the way, we used to take snack. In that time, cleaning ourselves, sometimes we drink juice, it will spill over all over the place, maybe small drops. If you wanted to clean, you should have this tissue, small tissue for the water and wet items. If you are in your skin, you can use tissues. If it is in your dress, it will very difficult to clean with the tissues. So you better carry one baby wipes. Very easy to clean. Also your dress looks very neat after spilling over the juice or any gravy or any food item. It will make looks very ugly for you. Also it will be looks inconvenient for you. So if you carry a baby wipes, don't want to carry a big size, there are small sizes are available, same like this small handy packs, so you can wipe it away easily. The another thing, when you travel, also we need our phones to be always on, correct? Nowadays without phone we cannot survive anywhere. So always try to carry one power bank, fully charged power bank, carry with you always. And then I think nobody will forget these things. One headphone, wireless or wired, whatever you are convenient. And then don't forget to take your charger. Charger is very important. If you have a laptop, if you have mobile phones, if you have a tablet, all the charger is very important. Along with this, also better carry some pack of plastic bags, small plastic bags, because whenever we make some mess up, we will come with a lot of wastages, correct? Like we carry some packed snacks, we open them, we finished it, we want to throw away. Better to carry one small plastic bag, so you can just store them. Whenever you find a dustbin, you can throw it back. Some of the countries, you will get fined if you are throwing the garbages in the road, so be careful. The next one is the universal power adapter. If you are driving out of the country, it is very important for you to carry a universal power adapter. For example, I will give you a simple explanation about this one. In India, we have a different type of power adapter. Okay, this style we called them Euro style. Okay, and then there are some power adapter is used in UK. That is a different shape. Some of them in the US, it's a different shape. There are a lot of types, 4 or 5 types are there. But if you have a universal power adapter with you, you can charge anywhere you want. For example, you purchased your phone from India, the adapter comes only Indian style, but you want to use them in the on different type of outlet, it will be not possible. But you have at least have a converter. That is called universal power adapter. I don't have one, so I'm just showing you the picture of that one. I will also give you the link in my description, so you can find them very easily. This will have all type of pins. So the adapter also will have a open socket to connect your adapter. So it can used for laptop, mobile phone, tablet. So it can solve your problems, big problems. You will have charger with you, but you cannot charge them if the adapter is not matching. Correct? I hope this video is useful for you. Also, most of the people, you guys are watching my videos and you are not subscribing. Please subscribe if you think this is very useful. Also give a like. Also comment if I miss any items. Please put comments. Also I can add it later on stage. Also let me know if you need anything to be uploaded, special things in the videos. Just let me know. Thank you for watching my videos.